Hi, this is Pam from Wood Camper Crafts, and today I'm going to teach you the double crochet 3 together. This is one of the stitches that I use in my Cleveland baby booties. It's a great decrease stitch around the toe area. So let's get started. We're going to be joining these 3 stitches together. So in my work here, I have just completed 3 double crochets. So I'm now going to do the double crochet 3 together. I'm going to yarn over and insert my hook into the next stitch. I'm going to yarn over and pull through. I have 1, 2, 3 loops on my hook. Then I'm going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops. I'm now going to yarn over again and insert my hook into the next stitch. I'm going to yarn over and pull through the stitch. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on my hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. I have 1, 2, 3 loops on my hook, and I'm going to continue on into the 3rd and final stitch. I'm going to be working in this stitch right here. I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through the stitch. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops on my hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops on my hook. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops. And I'm now going to complete the stitch, yarn over and pull through all 4 loops to complete my double crochet 3 together. So you can see I just worked in 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3. I have now joined it, so if you look in the next row here, it's going to be just 1 stitch. So this is a great decrease stitch. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, please subscribe to my channel.